welcome back to my channel. Thari, what I would like to show is today my friend, like YouTube friend, he gives me this. Kala na nga YouTube sige lara. So he gave me this. Oh, thank you. What the I already opened, but just want to show you.
Pure and simple every day. Your love is like a morning dew.
Ta-da! Baby, kore gerura. Instant tripod to this one. Asa, this has the button, the on off change. And this is okay, we can stand. Oh, so much has. And we can rotate this also too. Can rotate which had the photo again. I think how a link hard to go. Selfie stick, Bluetooth extendable which. And can check it out. Stand chicken, let's shoot from the put this and stand. No? So the on chira this we have to connect this with the Bluetooth, and then you press this in start, press this in stop, and this time the shara try and put it. And yeah, by the way, this is my first tripod. Thank you, Lokisha. Yogisha. 감사합니다. This tension ra. Tayara. Edition porage. Tadanga ropa na na. So I'm in my friend's place. That's why. It's nice. So let's go to her terrace. Let's see how my stands look. Stand shower. Let's see if I put the stand. Thank you so much. Oh my god, so nice. So in her terrace there are so many gardens. Not so many, but gardens are there. Come, I'll show you. Dal ka pata there. Wow. Today weather is good. आज मौसम अच्छा है Bangalore. Not so hot, not so parish, but yeah, it's all good. And the vibe is always different, you know. If you take a selfie on the selfie stick and the camera, and if you shoot, I mean if you do filming and all, it's feeling different. So sound was this cute khalana selfie stick to chiza susu you don't want to minute to see the rojira je konza YouTube sige lara je kuding je ne ala yun just how nimba konzo subscriber mangko chigi lara la chisi de chig pare okay thank you nga thandara dil time ba edit machinda changma collapse chira this char video segyo di ya janne lamsa da shamba namgi na edit chela chik juda ya keja khad norgyo do na smarker chi da thanda da namya I'm just uploading this. Thank you, Yogisha. 감사합니다. 도시나.